Hello everyone, in this video of the training series, we will talk about formations such as the rising wedge, falling wedge, rising triangle, and falling triangle. These formations occur as follows, friends. As you can see, both the rising wedge and the rising triangle are referred to as wedges or triangles, just like what you see on the right or on the left. In a rising formation, the lows are above, and in a falling formation, the lows are below. In a rising formation, the highs are above, and in a falling formation, the highs are below, my friends. They appear completely this way. Let's immediately discuss what these result in, what their targets are, and what those targets entail. Now, friends, the targets of the wedges here are equal to the depth of this wedge. So again, the depth of the wedge here is, as you can see, this level. The target is where this wedge breaks out, friends. For example, since it closed 2 candles above, the target became the upside, and as you can see, the target was achieved here. The 50, 60, 700s have arrived. If it had gone lower, as you can see, it would have broken downwards like this. Friends, it would have gone lower, down to 42,000 lira, if it had received 2 candle confirmations from here. Now, friends, this is how it concluded. The same goes for the falling wedge, friends. This is how we determine a depth, friends. If 2 candles confirm above this depth, as you can see here, the target of this falling wedge indicates that it is around 53,400, and those targets are approaching. As you can see, if there had been a breakout to the downside, it would have gone even lower, friends. As you can see, it could have dropped to even lower levels. But these targets were achieved in this way. That's why we always say that if we see 2 candles or 3 candles in an hourly chart, we observe that the formations are realized. As you can see, we have 3-4 candles here on the hourly chart. Also, when you completely intersect the targets like this, a retest occurs. We have already explained what a retest is before. So, what was a retest? Let's explain it quickly. A breakout occurred. A breakout occurred, friends. This is how the breakout happened. Then it performed a retest. It tested its old resistance as support and started to rise again. So that's it. We're moving on. We can now say that our target is equal to the depth of this wedge. As you can see, it is already occurring at the target. Again, there is a small test here. As you can see, after the breakout, there is a pullback, followed by a rise. This was also referred to as rights. We covered these topics in our previous training series. If you haven't watched these training series yet, please do so, friends. Thank you all, and see you soon.